Jet Express camera, and you can see still ice on the water, but of course it is fading fast. All right, here's a look at your flats camera, and unfortunately I'm not going to show a beautiful sunrise over downtown Cleveland. We've got the gray around, lots of clouds, and of course the rain. We'll be tracking the rain showers through around lunchtime, maybe even 1 o'clock for some of us. But during the afternoon, that's when we dry out, and that's when you can get out and enjoy these fabulous temperatures. We're headed back into the mid and upper 50s. I'm going with a forecast high of 60. So it's definitely going to be a mild day on tap for us. We just got to get rid of this rain first. Our temperature right now, 42 at Hopkins Airport. It is 43 in Lorain. Akron, you're checking in at 46. One of our chilly spots, Ravenna, 38 for you. So here's Storm Fox, and anywhere you see shades of yellow, that means we've got moderate showers here, mainly to the south and east of Akron, so in portions of Summit County, or southern Summit County over into northern Stark County, let's say up towards Alliance. We've got a moderate rain in and around Wayne County over towards Ashland, but widespread rain across our area. More so light spotty showers as you go towards Lake Geauga, even into Ashtabula County, pockets of drizzle. So we still have a good amount of time to work through this first batch. Like I said, a couple more hours here between noon and 1 o'clock as it moves out. So we've got the widespread rain around, temperatures in the low 40s. As we head into the afternoon, we're back into the low 50s, but still right around your lunch hour, we're still dealing with the rain. It'll start to taper off from west to east. Notice the steadier rain continues more to the south. That's where I'm expecting upwards of a ½ an inch possible in the areas that continue to see the moderate showers. So after 1 o'clock, we start to taper off, and we see here 4 o'clock in the afternoon, lots of clouds around, but this is what you want to notice, that 60-degree reading here in Cleveland. So upper 50s, 60. Then as we head into 7, 8 o'clock, you'll start to notice the rain move back in. This is with a cold front. Temperatures will drop drastically behind the front. So you see Lisbon and Carrollton, Youngstown low 50s, but then you go out towards Port Clinton, Sandusky, and Fremont, and we've already got upper 30s showing up. We'll continue to see the rain through around midnight, and then it'll taper off, and then we're just going to drop temperature-wise. We're back into the low and mid 30s here tomorrow afternoon. More of that lake effect sky. You'll have times breaks of sun, other times cloudy intervals, and again, I can't rule out a passing lake effect snow shower as we go through the day tomorrow. Now, good news is we clear out at least, so Tuesday is going to be beautiful. Bad news though, when you got the cold air in place, the clear sky, it's going to get cold come Tuesday morning. I've got temperatures dropping into the teens, so we're going to wake up to teens Tuesday morning, well below the average low of 26. We're well above the average high of 41. Today I'm going with 15 to 20 degrees above average and a high of 60. Showers around through midday, and then as we head into the afternoon, that's when I expect we'll get that break where you can enjoy the upper 50s to 60. 34 tonight, back into the 30s tomorrow, definitely colder. We will have sunny breaks, but there's also the risk of snow. Back to more sunshine on Tuesday after a very cold start. And the next couple of days into March, not that bad. I mean, we're bringing more sunshine in the middle of the week. We got another warm up temperatures right around 50 Wednesday and Thursday. And then as we head, is bring an umbrella when you see rain out your window. Here we go. Here's a look at Storm Fox right now. And yes, unfortunately, we are dealing with rain this morning, widespread across the area. More so, steady to moderate showers in our southern communities than northern areas. Anywhere you see pockets of yellow, it means it's coming down at a good clip. We've got moderate rain in and around Stark County, Bethlehem, down towards Rose, up towards Alliance, even over towards Palmyra, Ravenna, Windham, Lordstown, Warren. You've got a batch of some moderate to heavy rain, Cass and Shelby, northern Richland County. Then you go to the north along the immediate lake shore. It's intermittent, but more so on the light side. That's where I'm expecting it to stay below about a 1/10 of an inch. As you head to the south, though, I'm expecting more so about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain. Now, we still have the system to get through. Once we get this batch out of here, warm front, that's going to be the culprit this evening, followed by a cold front with our second round of rain. And that warm front, I think you're going to like it because at least it's going to bring in warmer temperatures. So here's your hour by hour. This first batch tapers off between noon and 1 o'clock, so that by 1:30, 2 o'clock, we're looking good. 8 o'clock in the evening, still okay. It's after 7, 8 o'clock where we'll see rain showers develop again ahead of the cold front. And this time, there could possibly be a rumble of thunder. Behind it, temperatures drop quick. I mean, we're talking about a 30-degree drop here within a couple hours. Now, behind it, I'm told we've got some lake effect snow showers that are going to develop here, mainly out east. It'll be more of that lake effect kind of sky, so at times we'll have intervals of clouds and sunshine will definitely be around through the day. It's just going to be a cold one. We'll be watching during the evening as a weak trough pulls through, maybe primary snow belt. You could have a couple more snowflakes, but I think that'll be completely gone by Tuesday morning, and we will see sunshine to start off the day. It's just going to be rather cold. Temperatures on Tuesday in the morning in the teens. How much rain? Again, we're looking at less than 1/10 of an inch to the north. To the south, that's where you find 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. North Canton, your view not looking great. We've got lots of clouds in the area. We've got rain moving through. Akron Canton forecast, the rain continues through around 1 o'clock. Temperatures at that point will be in the low 50s. I expect you to get into the mid 50s later today. 40 at 4 o'clock, we're at 55 degrees. So we still have this warmth to work through. Cincinnati is at 54 right now. It is 60 in Lexington. So we've got this push of warmer air before we tap into this cold air behind the front. Notice Minneapolis, Green Bay already in the low 30s. Our temperatures right now, we're at 44 degrees. It's 45 in Barberton, same with Paynesville. 45 in Lorain, Independence checking in at 41, Lakewood 44. It'd be so nice if we could just get rid of this rain to enjoy these mild temperatures. Thanks for sending me in your view. This is Polk Sky yesterday. Beautiful way to end the day. How about the full snow moon? I love this shot. Look at that shot of downtown Cleveland with the full moon. This is courtesy of Ron Skinner. Thanks for sharing your shots. 60 degrees today. We get a chance to enjoy it between 1 and 7 o'clock. And then we've got the rain moving in during the evening. We've got snow around the first part of your day on Monday. It's a possibility. I wouldn't be surprised. Temperatures in the low and mid 30s. March 1st. All right. And then we're back into the teens as we head into the thaw out. In fact, today temperatures well above average by about 15 to 20 degrees. So that's the good thing here about today. The bad thing is we want to get out and enjoy it, and right now we can't. We've got lots of rain around the area, and it looks like this. It's just a bummer. We've got gray sky. That's going to continue as we go through the morning hours. Now between noon and 1 o'clock, that's when I expect the rain to taper off, and that's when you can get out and enjoy it. Go for a walk. Temperatures in the mid and upper 50s. I expect us to hit 60 for the high, and then we've got another round of rain headed our way, mainly after 7. I'll have the hour by hour in just a second, but look at these temperatures. I mean, it's 46 at Burke Lakefront. Akron, you're checking in at 47. 45 at Hopkins Airport. It is 40 in Ravenna. So here's a look at Storm Fox. At the moment, we've got the widespread rain across our area. More so light to the north. You go to the south, and that's where we have pockets of heavy rain. Anywhere that you see the yellow, the orange, the red, that's heavier rain. And right now, moderate showers along 422 here in Warren, even along Interstate 76 in Palmyra. Then you go to the south, Canton, you've had on and off heavy rain. Not off. It's been raining the whole time, but I mean, these pockets of heavier rain pushing through from time to time. Beach City, Salt Creek still raining for you. Willard and Shelby, you've got some moderate rain rate wedged in between you. And then again, up towards the lake shore, Lake County, They're dry. The I-90 corridor getting a break there. Then you go down towards Geauga County, Chesterland, Novelty, into Bainbridge, and you're starting to see some rain. All right, so we've got this rain for at least the next 3-4 hours before we finally start to get it out of here. And you'll see that here on Futurecast. I'm going to stop the clock here right around your lunch hour, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We can still have a couple lingering showers here out in our eastern areas and our southeastern spots. But look, once we break free of the rain, 57 in Cleveland, Norwalk 60 degrees. I expect us to get into the upper 50s to right around 60. Sandusky 60 at 5 o'clock, War at 58. Still a couple isolated showers. So even in the afternoon, especially south and southeast, there's the chance of an isolated shower, but it's not going to be as widespread. Here comes our next round. That's a cold front pushing through. We've got more rain headed our way during the evening and through the night. Lisbon 54, 1 a.m. Port Clinton 36. So once this front gets through, temperatures are going to drop quickly by a good 30 degrees. And then we're back to 30s as you wake up tomorrow morning. More of a lake sky, lake effect sky, intervals of clouds and sun during the day tomorrow. Temperatures staying in the low and mid 30s, and I can't rule out a passing snow shower. It gets even colder than that as we head into Tuesday. I don't even want to show this map. We've got teens showing up when you wake up Tuesday morning, but at least we'll have a lot of sunshine here throughout the whole entire day on Tuesday. Our average high 41 degrees, well above that. Our record 67. I don't think we're going to make that, but I think we're going to hit 60 today. Dry, mild afternoon. Can't rule out an isolated shower during the afternoon time. Then after 7 o'clock, well after sundown, we'll likely have more rain arriving. Temperatures plunge behind the front, waking up in the low 30s. Low and mid 30s expected tomorrow. Risk of snow, but we also have the risk of some sunshine as well, especially the second half of your day. It gets cold Tuesday morning. We've got to get that winter gear back out. Temperatures in the upper 30s. I'm sure nobody put them away because we know what Northeast Ohio has in store for us in March too. Then as the middle of the week, we've got a mix of sun and clouds.
That little bit of clearing sky out there, Jen.
You're grasping there, Rosie.
Well,
you're like, come on, let's see it.
I'm sick of snow.
I know. He's like, Jen, when is spring going to arrive? I know you're all thinking that too. Meteorological spring, by the way, arrives tomorrow. It's just not going to feel that way. All right, we are seeing lots of rain in parts of our southern viewing area right now, down in Dover, New Philly, down towards Mansfield, down towards Millersburg, whereas north, light rain and even breaking up out towards Sandusky, but unfortunately we still have several more hours to get through before we get our break. Loudonville, Salt Creek, this is coming down in buckets right now. We've got heavy rain. Anywhere embedded in red, Beach City, you've got heavy rain in your area at the moment. So of course, if you're in our southern spots and you need to go driving somewhere, you're going to be, give yourself some extra time because when you get that blinding rain, it's never fun. 422 along Interstate 80 as well, the Turnpike, where you get some moderate showers in between Palmyra and Youngstown. Then you go up towards the lakeshore and our northwestern communities, more so light drizzle over towards Sandusky, just plenty of clouds in the area. So again, a couple more hours and then we break free. We get this break, you can see it. It's going to eventually move in, but then we've got the warm front and a cold front that's going to push in later this evening, and that's going to bring our second round of rain. So 3 o'clock, you notice most areas dry. This is when we can get out and enjoy these mild temperatures. Then after 7 o'clock, showers will form once again, maybe even a rumble of thunder as the cold front moves through. It's going to race on by. Temperatures are going to tumble behind it. We're going to talk in at least 15 to 25 degrees below in about, not below, but you know what I'm saying, below our upper 50s to right around 60. So we are definitely going to get colder here tonight into tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll have a lake effect pattern set up, intervals of clouds and sunshine, even the chance of a passing snow shower. We clear out Monday night. Tuesday we'll see lots of sunshine, but Tuesday morning, It's going to be a shock to your system. It's going to be colder again, temperatures back into the teens. Southern areas where we're getting the heavy rain, 1/4 to a 1/2 inch expected. I'm thinking maybe around that 1/2 inch. I mean, we're seeing a good amount of rain down there right now. North Canton, no exception. It's been raining all morning for you. And as you can see, not a lot going on other than the fog, the rain. You want to just stay indoors for the morning hours. Then get out after 2 o'clock, 2, 3 o'clock in the Akron-Canton area. That's when I expect just cloudy conditions, temperatures back into the mid-50s. So we've got this mild air to work into our area. It's 61 in Lexington. Eventually we'll tap into these 30s, but give it again another 12 to 24 hours here before we're seeing low 30s. Temperature wise right now, we're in the low and mid 40s. Lugger is giving us a muddy paw alert today. Wants to get outside. Unfortunately, it's raining, and you know, dog lover parents definitely don't want the muddy paws in the household. So red paw right now, green later in the afternoon, and then we've got more rain on the way this evening, but of course, muddy paw alert all day long, even into tonight and tomorrow. Here's a look at your forecast tomorrow. Following that cold front, temperatures back into the 30s. Intervals of clouds and sun. March 1st in like a lion, I think. When you're talking snow, below average temperatures.